The wait is finally over. Action camera fans, your moment has arrived. The GoPro Hero 14 Black is here, and it's making some bold promises that are impossible to ignore. For months, the internet has been flooded with leaks, rumors, and endless speculation. But now, GoPro has revealed its hand, and this camera looks ready to set a new standard. With 8K video capture, next-level stabilization, longer battery life, and faster connectivity, the Hero 14 Black is shaping up to be a true game-changer. But here's the big question. Is this really a groundbreaking leap forward, or just another small step? Let's find out. Design-wise, the Hero 14 Black keeps GoPro's rugged DNA but introduces smarter refinements. It's slimmer, sleeker, and tougher, with improved heat management so creators can film longer without interruptions. The buttons have been redesigned for a better tactile feel, even with gloves on. The displays have also leveled up. The front screen is smoother, while the rear touchscreen is brighter, making it easy to frame your shots even under direct sunlight. These small but powerful tweaks show GoPro's focus on real usability. Where it truly shines, though, is performance. The Hero 14 Black records native 8K at 30 FPS for cinematic detail and 4K at 240 FPS for jaw-dropping slow motion. Its larger sensor finally brings impressive low-light performance, producing sharper, cleaner footage at concerts, night trails, or indoor events. And of course, HyperSmooth 7.0 stabilization ensures buttery smooth video, even if you're racing down a mountain trail or skydiving at insane speeds. But it's not just about raw specs. GoPro has added smarter tools to make filming easier. AI-assisted framing keeps your subject locked in the center, no matter how unpredictable the action. Advanced horizon leveling keeps your footage straight, even if you flip the camera upside down. A dream for snowboarders, bikers, and gymnasts. Plus, cinematic presets and quick capture modes save time, letting you focus on the adventure instead of fiddling with settings. Battery life also gets a serious upgrade. Thanks to a higher capacity battery and better thermal efficiency, you can now record for up to 2.5 hours at 4K. And with rapid USB-C charging, you'll get back to 80% in under 30 minutes, perfect for on-the-go adventures. Connectivity has been boosted too, with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, making file transfers faster and smoother. The GoPro app now brings better in-app editing, stronger cloud backups, and even the potential for live 4K streaming. Sharing your adventures has never been easier. Taken together, the GoPro Hero 14 Black feels like much more than a minor update. It's a serious leap forward in design, performance, and creativity. Whether you're an adventurer, athlete, vlogger, or creator, this camera is ready to keep up with your vision. So, what do you think? Is the Hero 14 Black the ultimate action camera of 2025, or does your current GoPro still get the job done? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech insights, right here on GadgetVerse.